Hey scientists, last week we took a look at water erosion. And all of you did different experiments showing that how when water runs across sand, it creates rivers and streams that take the sand with it and deposit it someplace else.
Whoa! Guys, did you see that?
This week we're going to be looking at how wind can also cause weathering. So get ready for another super awesome science experiment. Let's go. So we know that weathering breaks down pieces of rock and sand. Weathering! Bam, 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 bam. Erosion takes them someplace else. Erosion! Woo. And deposition drops it off. Deposition. I'm really good at those hand movements. So this week, we're gonna look at how wind can also cause erosion and things that we can use to stop it. So you're gonna need a few important materials. First, use some sand or sugar or flour or rice or whatever you used last week for this experiment, use it again. Also gonna need to use some materials to act as rocks, boulders, and trees. We're going to use these materials to see if they can help stop the erosion from happening. You're also going to need something to cause some wind. You can use a straw and blow through it. You can use a blow dryer to cause a hurricane of wind, or you could just blow with your mouth. Make sure you position all of your rice or sand or dirt all to one side so it forms like a little hill. Then go ahead and place whatever is working for your trees, your boulders, and your rocks in their positions. Ahoy, matey, ready to blow! Go ahead, just start blowing and see what happens. You might have noticed that some of my rocks have fallen down the hillside, but my boulders and my trees stayed in place. Also, the rice around the trees and boulders also stayed in place more than in other parts. How might knowing this help us make better decisions about our environment? Well, we've learned that erosion can cause big problems. So if you want to stop erosion, you might put in big rocks and trees, and that will help prevent erosion. Go ahead, get your materials together, and like always, record your video on Flipgrid. I cannot wait to see what you guys record this week. See you tomorrow. Bye.